wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Force One U45WF Blue Jay is easy to learn to fly and has a 6-axis gyro that helps it maintain stability. It features a headless mode, has a maximum control range of 330 feet, and can perform aerial stunts at the push of a button. It comes with motion-controlled navigation and is a good choice for teens. However, its flight time is short. At number 9, both the arms and propellers of the Potensic D88 fold, and it comes with a hard case to keep it protected during travel. It's equipped with a 2K camera that offers 90 degrees of horizontal adjustment and a 110-degree field of view. It includes a follow me capability and returns automatically if the battery is low, but its gimbal is just a single axis. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Syma Z1 is an entry-level model that boasts a budget-friendly price, the ability to capture 720p aerial videos, and a 90-degree rotatable camera. Using your smartphone and its associated app, you can draw out a flight path that it will follow autonomously. It offers first-person live view streaming and charges in less than 2 hours. However, note that this one doesn't have a dedicated controller. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the app-enabled Holy Stone HS160 Shadow sports a cool gravity sensor mode that allows it to move in the direction you tilt your smartphone. It also offers one-key takeoff and landing, an altitude hold function, and is compatible with 3D virtual reality. It includes 4 speed settings and bright LEDs for night flights, but it has just a 200-foot transmission range. Moving up our list to number 6. There are few better options for travelers than the DJI Mavic Mini. Not only is it incredibly compact, but at just 249 grams, it evades registration requirements in many countries too. Despite its small size, it can still capture high-quality stills and videos. It features a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a helpful flight tutorial, and it handles wind surprisingly well. Halfway up our list at number 5. The hubsan Zino Pro represents a great value, having many of the same features as a lot of significantly more expensive options. It can record Ultra HD videos at 30 frames per second and has a failsafe that ensures it returns home automatically when the battery is low. It includes a removable lens for attaching filters and 4 flight modes. It transmits on 5G Wi-Fi. At number 4, the Autel Robotics Evo comes in a bright orange color that makes it easy to keep an eye on in the sky. Unlike many other models which require you to use your smartphone to unlock their full potential, it has a 3.3-inch display built into its controller. This one's equipped with GPS and GLONASS, an Ambarella H2 image processor, and a one-touch return-to-home button. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the DJI Mavic Air has 6 quick-shot modes like Helix, Boomerang, and Asteroid. That makes it easy for beginner pilots to capture some really cool footage. It's also capable of stitching together up to 25 images for crystal-clear 32-megapixel sphere panoramas. It comes with 8 GB of internal storage and a foldable remote control. It supports 4K video at 30 frames per second. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Contixo F22 is an affordably priced model that offers GPS-assisted flight for precise hovering and can film in true high definition. It's foldable for convenient portability, and its camera is equipped with an up-down gimbal to help stabilize the footage. It offers a 120-degree wide field of view and supports gesture control. It comes with 2 batteries. And taking the top spot on our list, packed with an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, a 5-mile live feed transmission range in full 1080p HD, and high-speed subject tracking functionality, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is a top-of-the-line option for photographers and fans of first-person view piloting. It boasts a 31-minute flight time and a 1-inch CMOS sensor, and it can save and repeat flight paths. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones, or simply click beneath this video.